Hey guys, Nick here. So today is 2 months post my procedure with DHI New Zealand. All going really well. I might be one of the lucky few that doesn't shed a lot of hair. As you can see, I've kept, these are actually the hairs that they put in during my procedure. So they're the same length as my other hair. Normally you shed out these hairs, I was told. But like my older brother who had it done about 14 months ago, he didn't shed out his hair as well, which is quite lucky for us. So I guess I'll see over the next month or so whether these do actually fall out and I do go sort of completely bald around here before the final hairs grow through, which is kind of normal. But besides that, all the redness is completely gone now, which is really good. So I've just been wearing my hair normally. I guess it kind of just looks like I'm receding, whereas I'm actually going the other way and getting more hair in the front there. So I'll update you soon.